The next step is to discover the devices. The devices isn't paired with yet are called unknown devices, and we can add them to the list of paired devices. We do this when user taps on a button. We are going to initialize one button in this activity underscore finder. So we first need to make a broadcast receiver and override on receive method. This receive method is invoked whenever a Bluetooth device is found. So first we will create a new broadcast receiver in our application. So here we can say broadcast receiver to listen Bluetooth devices. So here we can say private, final, and broadcast receiver. We can say broadcast receiver is equals to new broadcast receiver. It gives us a on receive method inside it and the context object. So first, inside this on receive method, we will get the action from the intent object. So here we can say intent dot get action. This action helps us to find out a Bluetooth device which is not paired, which is unknown device. So here we can check if Bluetooth device dot action underscore found. So here we can say action underscore found equals to dot equals is equals to action, and if it is same string equal string, then we can get a Bluetooth device object with the help of this intent object. So here we can say Bluetooth device and we can say unknown device is equals to intent dot get parsable extra. Here we need to pass the string name. So this string name is available as a flag as a static variable inside a Bluetooth device dot we can say get extra underscore device. So here we can say extra underscore device and we are getting a Bluetooth device object. So we can log this data over here. So here we can say unknown device, comma, and list of unknown device. So let's log it as it is only one device. So log.d, here we can say tag, comma, address plus we can say unknown device dot get address, and here we can say unknown device dot get name. So it will be a name. This broadcast receiver we need to register when we are going to tap on the scan button. So we simply need to register the receiver we just made and invoke the start discovery method if the scan button is tapped. For unregister, uh, we need to call a unregister method on the receiver and invoke a cancel discovery method. Keep in the mind, discovery takes a lot of resources, so if our application contacts with another Bluetooth device, we should always cancel a discover prior to connecting a third party device. So let's register this device. We can register this device with the help of a, we can say, with the help of intent filter. So let's create a method in our application for connecting or start scanning a Bluetooth device. So private void scan Bluetooth devices. So let's say we need to add a boolean flag. So here we can say private boolean is discovery enabled. By default it is false. So if discovery is enabled, if is discovery enabled, if it is false, then we need to call start discovery and we need to register it, else we need to unregister it. So here we can say intent filter is equals to new intent filter, that is Bluetooth device dot action found, and inside this if we can register this, so here we can say this dot register receiver. We need to set a broadcast receiver, so here is a broadcast receiver object and the intent filter is given above, and on this Bluetooth adapter we can call start discovery, else we can unregister it. So here we can say uh, this dot unregister receiver, we need to pass only a broadcast receiver object, so here we can say broadcast receiver, and then we can say Bluetooth adapter dot cancel discovery, and if we found any device inside this Bluetooth device, then again we are going to stop discovery. So here we can say Bluetooth adapter dot cancel discovery. So you need to always remember that if you are creating an application, if you are discovering for a resource, then you should cancel it and then we can run this application. But before that we need to add a code for a button in our application.